Here's a glimpse into the life of the Southern Gentleman's Table and Chef Terrence Hill. He's starting with a delicious macaroni and cheese. Let's get that cheese sauce going with some butter, half and half, and whole milk. Now let's get all of the fresh cheeses shredded, combined, incorporated. Look at that. This is going to be some cheesy macaroni and cheese. It's the Southern Gentleman's way. I bet you're wondering what this is, but we'll come back to it later. Stay posted. Adding the cheese to that milk and butter. This cheese sauce is on its way. Look at that. It's coming together beautifully. Nice and incorporated. That is a delicious cheese sauce. Ooh, and look at these Southern links. They smell delicious, they're grilled to perfection, and they taste even better. Wait, did he stop for a Kool-Aid break? I wonder what flavor that is. Looks like red to me. Ooh, there's that brisket. Look at that smoke. Look at that char. The Southern Gentleman's Table does it again. Yeah, those juices are flowing. Perfectly tender and juicy. Macaroni is coming along. Those noodles are tender, perfectly cooked, and ready to be mixed with the cheese sauce. Okay, now we're coming back to that brisket. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, look at that juice. Delicious. Well done, Southern gentlemen. That knife just glides right through. Back to the macaroni and cheese. It's ready to go. Now adding that cheese sauce. As those macaroni noodles absorb that sauce, it's going to swell up and be the perfect texture. But you can't forget your seasonings. Now that's how you top it off and put it in the oven. Remember this? That's beef broth. Beef broth directly from the brisket with a little bit added. Now let's put that flavor back into that brisket. It will be even more flavorful and more delicious. Let's make sure all the food stays nice and warm. Got your brisket, got your sausage, got your mac and cheese. And whenever you work with the Southern Gentleman's Table, it's going to arrive at your door fresh and delicious. Well done, Chef Terrence Hill.